Guys, today I do have some very key things to talk about, not only on the Bitcoin chart where you can see that we are breaking out of a downward sloping trend line. Also, I'm going to show you what the smart money have been doing because they are taking immediate action and we are seeing it right here. It's all being put in front of us. Let me show you what this means for crypto, what this means for traditional markets. I'm going to give you the latest with SBF. He has been talking, he has been telling the FTX users what they can expect moving forward, and I will also show you why today is extremely important and why you can expect massive volatility. Guys, today we do have an action-packed episode, so make sure to stick around from the beginning until the end. Okay, welcome back everybody. My name is Chris, bringing you cryptocurrency videos every day, teaching you how to make money in this market. If you are new to the channel, then make sure to subscribe and activate the bell right now. And let's get straight into it, guys. So what you can see here for Bitcoin is that we have had a massive green candle here, or massive more or less. At least we are up, let's see here, about 6% from the local bottom right here, and we are up about 8% from the edge of the orange box here. So the orange box is still doing a terrific job of holding up the Bitcoin price right here. That's really good to see. And as I showed you as well, we did have a downward sloping trend line here, which we have already broken out of as well. But all in all, the Bitcoin chart, I mean, it's not super interesting apart from us breaking this downward sloping short-term trend line, but we still have this massive support here at the orange box, and we do have the orange line as the next big resistance at $18,000. So these are the levels we need to pay attention to. And as for my own trading, as you know, I do have a bot trading the range from the edge of the orange box here at 15,700 up to much higher levels. And this bot, just to give you an update, is still trading well and making profit. So this bot is up almost 3.5%. This bot is up almost 1%. So you can see I nailed the trading range here very well on this particular bot. So the longer time goes by, I do think that this is going to continue to grow and make more profits as we continue to move forward. Traditional markets, guys, you can see that my orange line is holding up the traditional markets right now. We did have a dump here 2 days ago, went down, found support, and right now we are right on the edge here. Of course, if we see a breakdown from this level, that is going to lead into crypto as well going down. But for now, this is big support for the traditional markets. And before we talk about SBF and everything you need to pay attention to moving forward and today, just a quick reminder, take advantage of these bonuses where you are able to claim up to $10,000 on OKX. You're able to claim up to $8,400 on BitGet. And BitGet is available for US users to sign up only for one more day. So if you are from a jurisdiction which does not allow for OKX or Bybit or Femex, then make sure to sign up for BitGet. Last chance today to sign up if you want to be able to trade the way I do. And then you also have Bybit. This bonus is wrong. It's up to $30,000 in bonuses right now on Bybit. So make sure to also take advantage of that. So let's talk about the latest when it comes to SBF. Well, the first thing I want to show you is that he has been caught trying to bribe the CFTC. So he tried to bribe the CFTC to have regulation in favor of FTX compared to other offshore exchanges. So this has come out, and I do think that this is a very bad look for FTX, of course. And yeah, it's not helping Sam in any way. Also, he has done a couple of interviews. I want to show you the most important things from these interviews. So the first thing is that he believes that FTX US users will get 100% of their money back. He also says that he thinks that FTX users will get about 1/4 of their money back. So if you held $100,000 on FTX or $1,000 on FTX US, he says that you will get that full $1,000 back. If you held $1,000 on FTX, you will get $250 back. Also, he regrets filing for bankruptcy. Let's go into some more quotes here from this particular interview. He denies that there was a secret backdoor for Alameda and Sam to withdraw money from FTX. Now, all of this, of course, we have to take with a grain of salt because we know that Sam has been lying previously. He's probably lying in these interviews as well. But here's at least what he said. He says that he don't even know how to code. So this was not the case according to him then. Also, when it comes to Bahamian people having the ability to withdraw, he said that he did this in order to continue to operate because his exchange was operating in Bahamas. And so he made that decision to allow for Bahamas withdrawals and halt it from any other jurisdiction. Also, he says that the FTX hack for $400, $400 million, of course, was an ex-employee or someone installed malware on an ex-employee's computer. Furthermore, he still believes that FTT is a good coin. And also he says that he regrets filing for insolvency and bankruptcy, and that he believes that if he did not file for bankruptcy, he would be able to make users whole eventually. Also very interesting here, it seems like he's claiming that FTX US was actually hacked for $250 million. This is not something we knew about previously, but he said they were hacked for $250 million and they could, still operate without problems, because they had, even with the hack, they still had over $500 million in surplus. So these were some of the quotes he talked about. Now moving on, as we know, BlockFi has filed for bankruptcy. So if you held your money on BlockFi, that is probably gone. This is why I've been trying to warn you for BlockFi. And if you're using Nexo, if you're using any other lending platform, withdraw your money as soon as possible. Genesis are doing everything they can to try to not file for bankruptcy. We will see how that goes. But this, I hope, is the last major domino to potentially fall, because these like FTX, BlockFi, Genesis, these were really at the very top. So anything coming from the backlash of this should be very much smaller than these actual companies like Genesis, like FTX, like not Jump, but Three Arrows Capital and so on. So hopefully they can work this out, or if they fall, hopefully it is the last major player to fall. Now for some bullish news, guys, you can see that the smart money in traditional markets have cut their shorts. This is something I've been showing you here very much recently, how the smart money are closing their shorts and actually adding a little bit of longs here. So the smart money are becoming more bullish on the market. Another thing I want to show you is this index created by Willy Woo, where he shows us that this particular index is right now at a particular accumulation zone, in which previously you have seen being formed at a local, or at a long-term bottom, I should say. We don't know the exact values going into this. He will reveal it soon. But yeah, long-term, this is looking good. And also be prepared for volatility today, Wednesday, the 30th of November, because you are going to have not only Fed Chair Powell speak, you will also have GDP growth rate, you have inflation for multiple countries. So today will be very interesting. Be prepared for volatility today, guys. Need to point that out. Oh, I will just say that I will be back from the World Cup in a couple of days. So by then, things will return to normal with one video every day. So that's something that you can also be expecting moving forward. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.